How to submit a claim to Manulife. Manulife Bank is a Canadian online bank offering savings accounts, mortgages, and other financial services without traditional branches. Customers access their accounts through online banking, mobile apps, and ATMs. First, go to Manulife Bank website and enter username and password to log into your account. On home page, click on Submit a Plan. Click Continue to go to the Submit a Claim page. Choose the plan that you want to claim. Paid from the drop-down menu, choose the type of service you're claiming. Is it for dental, health, paramedical, or other? If you have additional coverage available, for example, through your spouse's plan, be sure to include that information so we can coordinate coverage and get you the maximum payment back. Then enter service provider details. Next, enter the expense information for your claim. Attach supporting documents. Finally, check the box and click on Submit. That's it. Thanks for watching.